Hey guys, ITD here. So our topic for today is how we can make a signature on Outlook. So let's get started. So let's do it. First, you go to File, Options, click on Mail, and then here Signature. You can create, click it, select New, Test. Just name it Test. Okay, so here you can create now your signature like IT desktop. Your number like that. Okay, so okay, click OK, click OK, and then let's try it. This new mail. There you go. If you wanted to make a signature every time you want to reply on a email, just click signatures again, and then replies forwards, make it this one test, and then hit OK. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.